Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where you want to go ahead and get some filters back within your Instagram account that maybe you had before that you may not have anymore. Now, the reason why this may be happening is because Instagram was down temporarily or something like that. So, a great thing I would recommend doing is making your way over to your web browser like this, going to a website that's like downdetector.com, and maybe you don't have to go to this specific website, but any website like this, you want to make your way over to it. And what you want to do here is you just want to scroll through and see if Instagram is on here. Now you can see Instagram is right here. I would probably recommend making sure Instagram is not down. If there's a humongous outage, then that's probably the main problem. So that's the first thing. That's the reason why your filters may not be coming up properly. Now let's say that doesn't seem to be the case. Well, what you can always do is make your way over to your Instagram application, go to your story, portion here, and you should be able to see a list of the filters down here. Now there's tons of different filters per thing, but what you can always do is you can scroll all the way to the end of your specific Instagram application like that on the filter side, and you can actually click right here on that little magnifying glass, and you will actually be able to see filters that other people are using. So here what you can do is you can search for filters by clicking on the top right corner right there, and you'll be able to see the filters right there. So now all you have to do is type in the filter that you want to go ahead and search for. And from there, if we go and search for whatever this one is, right, what we can do here is click on the filter here, and we can go ahead and click try it, and we can also save this specific filter as well. So right here where it says save effect, you want to go and click save effect, and that effect will now be saved under the specific portion. If you want to try it, you can click try it right here, and it's going to go ahead and bring this filter over to you right here, and you can also save that filter right there as well. Now, for some reason, the filter that you're using or you're wanting is not showing up anywhere, even when you're filtering it here. Another thing you can always do that I've seen actually kind of help in some cases is to actually convert your specific Instagram account from a business account or creator account to a personal account and vice versa. There are different features per account. So what you can always do is click on the top three lines here, click on settings, and under account, which is right here, if it says, switch to personal, switch to, add new professional account, whatever the case is, if you want to go ahead and do some research into figuring out which account is better, I'd probably recommend going through here and kind of seeing which one works better for you. So that's another way you can do it. You can also try updating your Instagram application, deleting Instagram, going back into it. But those are pretty much the main ways to fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.